Hi, hello. Okay, today in numeracy, we're looking at what angles are. Okay, let's start with the question. Can you all see what I have? Let's start with this question. What is an angle? Okay, what is an angle? I know some of you, most of you, if not all of you, are not meeting this word for the first time. So let's really see what an angle is. Now, I know you know this shape. It's a rectangle, a triangle, and a rhombus. Okay. Now, all these shapes have angles in them. Is that okay? Now, let's see what an angle is. We said here is written an angle is where two lines meet when creating a shape. Where two lines meet when creating a shape. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. This is a line and this is another line. So this should be an angle, right? Okay. Now this is a line and this is another line where two lines meet. So this is a point where these two lines meet. So this should be an angle and same. Okay. All right. It's another one and it's another one. Now, can we see the angle, one angle in the rectangle? I'm actually trying to show you all the angles now in all these shapes I have. Okay. Now, let me go back again. Now, these are all the angles being highlighted here and you know, all these places are angles. Remember, an angle is it's where two lines meet quickly. Now, you measure angles in degrees. Very, very important. Just the way you measure your length in centimeters, you measure your angles in degrees. And down here, you have a symbol of degree. We have different kinds of angles. So we'll be looking at them one after the other. Let's start with a right angle triangle, a right angle. Now, a right angle is the corner of a square or a rectangle. Angles are measured in degrees. Now, this is a right angle. You either see it in a square or a rectangle. I really like the right angle because you can easily identify it. It's not so hard to identify. Now, a right angle is a quarter of a full turn. Okay, it measures 90 degrees. Now, this is a full turn, but it's just a quarter of a full turn. Yes, a right angle is a quarter of a full turn. We also have a straight line or a straight angle. Now, it's like having two right angles and you just have to take away the the obstacle and just join two right angles having a straight angle. Now, a half of a full turn is called a straight angle and it measures 180 degrees. That's two right angles. Okay, let's see another one. Full turn, like a circle. A full turn is when a line turns round in a complete circle and it measures 360 degrees. Now, an acute angle. This is a very popular one too. So you have an acute angle, it's less than 90 degrees. You know, if 90 degrees like this way up, okay, this way up. Oh, sorry. Now, you know, this is a 90-degree, right? Like this. But you know how you're seeing this now, an acute angle less than a 90 degree, okay? Don't forget now an obtuse angle. It's sure definitely greater than 90 degree. Remember, this is one to have a 90 degree. That means you have a line running this way, and you have it here. So this is my 90, but this angle has gone beyond, so it's more than 90 degrees. So this is an obtuse. Any angle greater than 90 is obtuse. So quickly, let's see this. What do you think this is? Excuse me. This is a right angle triangle. What about this? This is an acute angle, and this is an obtuse angle. Very good, very, very good. Okay, now I'm going to email your tax for you, and I hope you do it. So I'm looking forward to seeing your tax nicely done. Have a great day, class. Bye.